Philly Cheesesteak Supreme.
This is the place. Come on.
We're at an amazing Comic-Con cafe in Buenos Aires. But we came for the food. Philly cheesesteak and a smothered hot dog. And delicious fresh cut fries. Perfectly.
Oh my gosh, this place is amazing. Spider-Man over there. Animals over there. Collection like you would not believe. There's so much to see, but we just didn't come for the collection.
But oh, that Philly cheesesteak.
Smothered in cheese, peppers, and onions. Oh, savory. Toasty bread.
Absolutely perfect.
Fabulous atmosphere, fabulous food, so much fun.